In this video, we're going to show how to use the power rule and how it makes sense using the definition of a differential. So we're going to look at y is equal to x cubed. And here's the power rule right here. dy over dx is equal to n times x to the n minus 1 power. So if we increment by dy and dx on both sides, then we're going to get the ratio or the differential that we're looking for. We expand the cubic to get 4 terms as so, and we know because dx is taken small enough that it's small of the order 2 is negligible, so we can get rid of that. We know y is equal to x cubed, so we can bring that over to the left-hand side. Now all we have to do is rearrange dy over dx is equal to 3x cubed. And we check with the power rule, and n is equal to 3 gives it, yes, that's correct.